everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Donnie, and if you've never been here before, welcome to my channel. My channel is called Diamond Painting by Donnie. I do plan to change my name here pretty soon to Diamond Donnie. And anyway, what I do is mostly unboxings, sneak peeks, reviews, and just tips and tricks and how-tos, such and such like that, mostly for diamond paintings and other crafts. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button and the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on all notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. All right, so today's sneak peek is called Catnap by Sonia Lazo. And here's a bigger image of what it looks like. This diamond painting is, let's see, 64 by 51, has 9 colors with 1 AB. I will try to show you where all the ABs will be on this canvas. It releases tomorrow, which is March 5th, 2022, and it is round, and it has a total of 41,268 drills. Now, let's get into it so we can get an idea of what we're looking at here. All right, got the box open. All right, and this is what's in the box. We've got our canvas, of course. And we have one of the newer toolkits. And we have our journal sticker. Well, I use it for my journal. Other people like to put them on the ends of their boxes right here. And then they stack their boxes wherever. And that way they can see what it is that they're looking for. And they don't have to pull them off to find out what it is. So here's what I do. Put it in my journal right here. And that way when I'm flipping through to figure out what I want to do next, I can tell by the sticker. Right? So that's just what I like to do. Whatever you like to do is okay. It's perfectly fine. All right, here is the toolkit. And each toolkit, the round toolkits are a little different from square. Round toolkits do not come with a pair of tweezers, but the square kit does. It used to say round or square on the bag, but now it just says toolkit, but they will not include the tweezers in the round kit. So you get your magic applicator and a pen grip, a comfort grip. And so far I've noticed with these new kits that they match the comfort grip with the color of the pens. So they have been including different colored pens, and this one's green, and so is the comfort grip, or the squishy, as people like to call them. You'll get a random washi tape. This one kind of matches the diamond painting. It's got little kitties on it. And you get a little cover minder. You'll get a bag full of baggies. You get a little heart container. You get 2 heart-shaped wax pads that fit in here, and that's what it will hold, is 2. Don't forget when you are going to use them to take off the plastic covering. There is a plastic covering on the front and the back. All right, so that's for that. And then you get your tray. This is a newer size tray. This one has like gold glitter inside. It's got higher edges than the older one, and they actually have a stopper that goes on the end so that they don't fall out the end when you're shaking them down. So it fits on there like that, and it matches it. It's just the same color as the tray. And then you get 2 Multi-placers. So far, this is what I've seen in these new kits, is they've given you a 7 and a 4. And these are the thin plastic placers. And if you like to use these plastic placers, I carry all sizes from 3 through 15 in my shop, and I have a link for that down below. All right, let me clear this away and we will start looking at the canvas. All right, so your diamond painting will come in this bag. It says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. It is resealable if you pull this off without ripping it. And inside we have our canvas. So the material that these are made of, the canvas is called tarpaulin, and it's not there just to look pretty and to be soft. The reason for it is so that two things, your canvas will be self-flattening and the color will last a lifetime on the background color, which you're going to want because, especially on ones like this, because this is round, and so the colors will not touch each other. The drills don't touch each other to form a perfect seal. They're round, so there's going to be that area around on the corners that will show through, and you're going to want the color to be nice and long lasting so that it will be perfectly bright and colorful for the rest of your life, you know. And anyway, here is what we get. Inside, we have our drills. It's only 9 colors here, so that will be pretty simple to show you. And then you get, they have a new thank you pamphlet. So it says, thank you from Angie, the founder. And then it tells you what's included in your kit, tips and tricks. It has, there's also a thank you code on there. You can scan this barcode for step-by-step video instructions. Another one for their Facebook group, for the VIP Facebook group, and then step-by-step instructions right there. So this is a little bit more, I think that this is neat because they get a little bit more information in here than the last one. Yeah, lots of QR codes. Inspiration in just a few taps is just a few taps away. And then you get your inventory, which is also a sticker, which I love because it gives you stickers that are already pre-cut so that you can just kit up right away. I mean, you don't have to do anything to get your stickers. See that? They're little individual stickers. And with Diamond Art Club, this is also a sticker here where you can keep track of when you started it and how long it took you by putting the end date. It has the shape, all that information. But with Diamond Art Club, you can tell which ones are going to be A-B colors because it will be numbered below 150. So on this, let's get it in focus. We have 127. 127 is going to be our AB, and that is going to be a white color. And it's symbol number 1. So we're going to look on here for symbol number 1. And let's see, I can just about get the whole thing in the picture here, except for the bottom. But you get I think you can get the gist of it because this isn't, it doesn't cut off too much of the top or the bottom, but it's just wide enough to fit into my view. But I love cats, and that's why they sent this one to me. And I'm just getting some of those air pockets out because I love to have that smooth cover. And it's easier when you go to, if you like to put a grid over your canvas to make your sections doable and it doesn't look so overwhelming. You're going to want to have all those air pockets pushed out anyway because it makes it easier for laying the washi tape over or the artist tape or whatever you like to use. All right. Well, anyway, let's look at where the AB is going to be. So it's number 1. And so you're going to actually, you're going to get a lot of places for ABs on this. You've got this whole white section of this cat is going to be AB. So are the whiskers. And then you've got some spots in the background that are going to be number 1. And those are also AB drills. You've got it in the eyes. So all these spots all the way around in the background. All of this one in the cat here, those are going to be AB. In the eyes, the noses, some of them have it on their nose, in their nose. The whiskers on this one. This one has blue whiskers, so that one doesn't have AB in the whiskers, but it does have it in the eyes and a little bit on the nose. This cat here, this Siamese, it looks like this is a Siamese. That's all going to be AB, all that entire cat, just about, except for the orange spots, obviously. The nose has a couple. And this one has a lot of ones throughout the body. It's blue and white. The whiskers are AB. The eyes, the outside part of the eyes, and then the look like eyebrows. And those are going to be AB, as well as this eye, and then a couple spots in the nose and the whisker there. And on this one, I've got a glare coming in from the window, but it's not glaring for you, so that's why I'm tilting it, so I can see it. You've got ABs for the nose and the mouth, the whiskers on this side, and that's it for that one. But that is actually one heck of a lot of ABs for diamond painting. And this is a 64 by 51, so it's about the same size as a 50 by 60. Because there's 9 colors, there's not going to be confetti. It's going to be very, very color blocking heavy. Biggest part where you're going to have AB is going to be something like the strawberry, because you've got 1, 2, 3. Well, it's still only 3 colors. So 3 colors for the strawberry, but yeah, 9 colors total. This would be probably this would be one of my in-between projects, just because even though it is a 50 by 60, it's not going to take too long, because I love to use multi-placers. So it will be one that would probably still take me a couple weeks, but it's on the larger side of the in-between projects. But still, that's what we're looking at for an in-between project. A lot of color blocking. For me, that's what I like to see in an in-between project, or something super small that's going to give you a good result with that being that small. So most of the time, that's going to be something that has color blocking, because confetti is really something you're going to look for on larger canvases, so that you can get all the little details that are in some of the scenery type diamond paintings, like from Abraham Hunter and Chuck Pinson. And you do find a lot of his, or mainly color confetti, which means that there's a bunch of color changes in one section. Color blocking means that it's one color or a couple of colors in large sections within one section. So yeah, that's good. Those are good for color blocks, or multi-placers, sorry. And let's look at the drills. The 9 colors that we have. Here, I'll zoom you in just so you can see the 9 different colors. Oh, that is not white. Well, it looks more pink than white. On the canvas, it looks like a white color, but this definitely looks like it's pink. I'm wondering if it's supposed to be pink, because this is, well, I guess that's a pinkish white color on those cats. It's kind of hard to see, but I'm guessing that it could be right. I'm going to guess they did it right. And this is all just one strip. We don't have, oh, wrong way. We don't have a bunch of strips because there's so little. So here is our first color, 992. And then we have 954. We have 601. And then 894. And 351, we have 2 bags. So lots of pink colors here. 351. And then 347. We have 2 bags of that. And then we have our AB. So, like I said, I thought it was white. It looks white. Oh, but now that I'm seeing it in the sunlight, it does look pink on this sheet. Yeah, let's see if I can get it in the camera. Yeah, there you can see that it's pink. It's a pink color. But the canvas, it's actually a white spot. So it kind of just confused me there. So this is what AB drills are. You can see that extra rainbow effect that's going on there. That's the AB coating that gives off a rainbow vibe. Depends on which angle you're looking at it. It will give off beautiful extra zap of sparkle. And they call it Aurora AB, short for Aurora Borealis, because it reminds us of the Northern Lights. Let's see if I can get it closer so you can see the coating. There you go. Yeah, so that's the AB coating. Anything that has that kind of coating on it that gives off like a rainbow effect, that's considered AB. All right, so then we have 3326. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags of that. So it's safe to say that's the background color. And then we have 2 bags of 158. And there we have it. I know this is a quickie, but you can show everything rather quickly because there's only 9 colors. It was easy to find all the AB drills. And yeah, I'm actually really excited to do this because my daughter loves cats too. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know she was given Oreo for her birthday in 2019, and she still hasn't finished it, but she loves it. And once in a while, she'll pick it up and do some more. But it's a very small one. It's like this big, and it's just a matter of with her ADHD, she does not stay focused long enough to complete one. So there's Catnap for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. And I will see you guys in my next video. If you've never ordered from Diamond Art Club before, you can use my code down below for 20% off for your first purchase. And if you have ordered from them before, you will know where to find your discount codes. One is in that pamphlet that I showed you. And then there's 2 other places that you can find them. If you don't know where they are, let me know and I will fill you in. But I hope you guys have fun diamond painting. Don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.